Current juniors and upcoming seniors. This is your class registration window. This is where you pick classes for next year. So you just log into PowerSchool and click class registration. It takes you here. And here's where you pick your classes. You notice we already have English 4 selected for you because everybody has to take that. For your 12th grade math, now this gets complicated. If you are currently in Math 2, then you need to take Math 3A and 3B, plus one of these other maths. If you've already had 3A and 3B, which is most of you, then you will pick between Applied Mathematical Concepts, Bridge Math, and Statistics. Now, Bridge Math is only available if you make an 18 or lower on your ACT, which you don't know yet. But if you've always struggled in math and had low grades, go ahead and pick Bridge Math. We'll move you out if you don't qualify. If your ACT is between a 19 and a 22, I would try for the Applied Mathematical Concepts if you want. If it's above a 22, you might go for Statistics. But you might read the course description between Applied Mathematical Concepts and Statistics. They're both very practical maths that you use in real life, and we're excited about them. Miss Sweat will be teaching Statistics, and Mr. Lamy will be teaching Applied Mathematical Concepts. So pick the one you like. We'll pick this one. But remember, if you need 3A and 3B, or maybe you just need 3B, you've got to have that plus one of the others. Now, 12th grade social studies. Again, this is a little maybe confusing, but not. Okay, if you've had economics and personal finance, then you just take government. If you just had personal finance, then you take government/economics. If you've had neither, then you need to take economics/personal finance and government. So let me say that. So you need to go back and look at your historical classes. If you just have personal finance, take government/econ. If you've had economics/personal finance, just take government. And if you've had neither, you take economics/personal finance and government. Hopefully that's clear. We'll just pick this one for fun. Okay. So then you have to take an elective. Notice we've requested 3 out of between 4 and 8 credit hours. If you are planning on being an early graduate, you need to select 4 credit hours. If you are not, then you need to do 8. So then you go into electives. And let's say you want to take ACT Prep. You want to do Art 2. And then if you don't want an extra class, or if you're going to be doing dual enrollment, then select Capstone. I don't know why biology is in there. I've got to take it out. Or maybe you want to take like some extra sciences. So you can choose that. Or maybe you want to take, let's say I want to take some Spanish. So throw that in there. Maybe you want to take a networking class, which means you also have to take something else. Let's take coding too. Click OK. And so that now you've got 9 credit hours selected, which are too many. So you'd have to go in and remove one of these classes. But then you go in and select all of that. Senior year is, very few required classes and mostly electives. We set it up that way on purpose. And then when you're done, you hit submit and you are registered. So I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, let me know.